Hello, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to be talking about things that haven't really changed in this country from 2006. Yes, 2006 से 2017 तक कितने साल हुए? 10 साल हो गए. In 10 years, things just haven't really changed. I feel like I'm still stuck in 2006 because I'm facing the same problems. First up, we have the number one issue that everybody is facing, battery life. So not only do you have to buy a phone first, which is an expense on its own in today's time, but you also have to make sure that you have a power bank. A power bank का भी बैकअप चाहिए तुम्हें, तो उसके लिए तुम्हें गाड़ी पे एक चार्जर लाना पड़ेगा so that you can charge your phone in the car. Then if that doesn't work, you get another charger where you can charge on the go. So basically my battery has a backup, which has a backup, which has another backup. Please invent something that lasts us for 2 days. That's all we are asking. 2 दिन बैटरी चला लो यार, 2 दिन. यार 2006 में इससे ज्यादा बैटरी लास्ट करती थी यार. We are 2017. Are we like going forward or are we regressing day by day? I have a suggestion. Instead of taking out a Apple 7s, maybe take out the Apple battery 7s plus 2, which means that it will last for 2 days. Come on. Instead of taking out new phone models, just give us a battery that will last and we will buy your phone. Next up, we have traffic now. Oh my God. The word traffic just gives me a headache. इसका नाम लेते ही मेरे कान में हॉर्न बजना शुरू हो जाता है. That is the amount of traffic that has increased since we were in 2006. Back in 2006, we were always getting back to like shit was moving on, but anyway, 2006, the traffic situation had gotten really worse, but अबे यार कोई ट्रैफिक को पीछे बंद कराओगे. See, you see what I'm talking about? Even my dialogues I can't say without the traffic interrupting me. That's how bad it is. That's how bad it is. We were far better in 2006 than we are today in 2017. I could talk in 2006. I can't talk in 2017. Moving on, guys. Next up, we have electricity, which is one of the basic problems in this country, even today, very sadly. In this day and age where the Prime Minister is trying so hard to digitalize the entire nation, वहां पे हमें इन्वर्टर से और जनरेटर से भी काम चलाना पड़ता है. It is such a big issue that we have the same backups lined up this way we had for our batteries. प्रधानमंत्री साहेब 4G छोड़ो, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी लाओ. बैंक की शादी नहीं होगी, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं होगी तो शादी नहीं होगी. This is exactly what I'm talking about. See, शूट करने के लिए लाइट नहीं है. That is what I'm talking about. आ गई लाइट आ गई. कितना खुश होते हैं हम लोग, लाइट चली गई. अरे यार लाइट आ गई. It's a thing. It's like a thing to celebrate in this country, especially in UP. अरे लाइट आ गई, पंखा चला, एसी चला. क्या है ये यार? छोटी खुशियां समझ में आता है कि तो पर बहुत ही छोटी है यार. Let's give us electricity. Next up we have Google Maps. Google Maps is a issue in this country. Okay, they may work anywhere else beautifully, and hats off to you Google for like sorting our lives out, and hats off to you for giving us YouTube where I'm making a living. But Google Maps in India are absolute bullshit, and everybody watching it, all Indians watching it, know that you've experienced it. Check this out. This is just a live example of what happens when you use Google Maps in India. Check it out. What the hell is this? Is it a right turn? There is no right turn. Turn right. It's a bloody shop. Bloody Google. तेरी बहन की जुत्ती चढ़ाऊं Google. There is no right turn, dude. It's a straight road. You know what? That's the problem. The problem is that the maps aren't updated with whatever's happening on in the Indian transport and road department. But you know what? Google की पूरी गलती नहीं है यार इसमें. Google, I feel you. It's India. हर चीजें बदलती रहती है. रोज यहाँ पे बंद हो गया, वो बंद कर दिया, यहाँ खड्डा खोद दिया, वो उसने भर दिया. I get you. Because after all, we are one team. Love Google. लोगों की गलती. It's the people. Okay, this next one is just really bizarre, dude. Like, I have no words when this happens to me, and I'm sure this has happened to a lot of you. You know what? मैं बात ही नहीं करता हूँ. मैं तुम्हें दिखाई देता हूँ straight up क्या है. Straight up, let me just show you right now what I'm talking about. Follow me. There's a rickshaw right now. भैया अंधेरी चलोगे? आने चलोगे?
बस हुआ, दिल्ली, दुबई, घर घर चलोगे, चलो घर चलो। आई एम गोइंग टू हिज हाउस दैट वाज चलो यार, घर चलो, घर चलो।
अरे तो कहाँ जाओगे भैया? रामनगर जाओगे? कहाँ? दुबई जाओगे? कहाँ जाओगे? I'm just like, dude, I have no answer to these guys, man. I don't know if it'll probably change in the future or no. But anyway, there is something that we both can change together. और वो मैं अभी बताता हूँ. You will like, you will subscribe, and you will comment. और मेरी दिक्कतें कम करोगे आप लाइफ में ये करके. Till then, take care, y'all. I am out of here.